The first Lotus Notes release was shipped in 1989 and sold over 35,000 copies. The operating system it required was either DOS 3.1 or OS 2. Lotus Notes 2.0 was a major release in 1991 focused on scalability. After its initial success, Iris wanted to scale Lotus Notes to support 10,000 users and target large companies besides their initially targeted small and medium businesses. This was an outcome of PCs getting more powerful and handling more users than they could earlier. In May 1993, Lotus Notes 3.0 was released with build number 114.3C, indicating the 114th successful Lotus Notes build that took 3 tries to finish the final build. Lotus Notes 4.0 was released in January 1996 with a whole new look and a completely redesigned user interface based on user feedback. In addition, the interface was simplified many features, making it easier to use and manage. Lotus Notes and Domino 5.0 were released in early 1999, referred to as the 160th build since 1984. It included parts of its architecture dating back to version 1.0 and supported clients released for version 1.0. Lotus Notes 6.0 was released in October 2002 with Lotus Domino 6. At the time, the world was dominated by discussions of faster deployments, increased productivity, and low cost of ownership. The Domino 6 server offered improved scalability and performance to lower the administrative overhead and streamline the maintenances. Lotus Notes 7.0 and Domino 7.0 were released in August 2005 to continue making the Lotus Notes and Domino easier to deploy, manage, and administer with fewer resources. In addition, IBM WebSphere Portal and IBM DB2 technologies were also integrated with Lotus Notes 7.0. Lotus Notes 8.0 and Domino 8.0 were announced in June 2005 at IBM Lotus Notes Technical Forum. Later, it was released in August 2007 with significant improvements and changes over earlier versions. With this release, Lotus Notes became an open-source, Java-based platform. Lotus Notes 9.0 was released in March 2013 with updated GUI, improved iNotes integration, IBM Notes browser plugin, and embedded application support. Later, minor updates were released containing bug fixes and feature improvements, including support for Windows Server 2016 and ADFS 3.0 in March 2017 with a 9.0.1 FP8 release. Lotus Notes 10.0 was a major release in October 2018 containing multiple feature improvements, enhancements to the Domino database cluster replication, Domino query language, performance monitoring interface, extension for databases, etc. Lotus Notes was rebranded to HCL Notes after HCL acquired IBM Notes and released version 11.0 in December 2019 with Swift File Assistant integration. It also came with a 128-bit AES option to encrypt the local database. Released in June 2021, HCL Notes 12.0 and HCL Domino 12.0 introduced cloud-native deployment with flexible backup and security options.